we are just right here, staring at that 81, beneath that 75. Okay, we're through the 81. Hey, oh great, we're all the way back down. Beneath the current low, sell a unit at, no, wait, instead of 73, sell a unit at 73. That's 2 ticks below, and that way if we get there, we don't get nailed with a 1 tick down tick. Oh, there we are. I just got filled. We just sold the low tick. Low tick, got stop up above at 89, put a stop above at 89, and the way this just dropped away really fast, or decisively beneath the 85, trading 82 all the way down to 78, makes me think that there's probably a little bit more to this than just a lack of bids. It looks like we're doing the same thing the other direction right now, but this is only a 5 tick move though. Pardon me, and it stopped right there. So, oh yeah, 79. Well, we don't want to see it go much further than this. We really don't want to see it get much further than this. To the upside, we'd rather have our stop down closer to a 16 tick stop on this. I don't think it's the end of the line for this decline though. I think there's more. Yeah, well, there should be more to it. Yeah, we're coming down. Okay, good. We've come down. We've gone through that 75, and now the prior low there, and now we're coming down, and I think we're going to try to get down to the mid-50s low. Looks like that's what we're trying to do here. I think the chance of turning right here to go right back up again, well, it could. Good grief, we know that it could. But if we break this low, good. Bring your stop down now to bring your stop down to 85. Stop down to 85. Not that much further, but at least a little bit more, a little closer. We shouldn't get back up there now. We're hesitating though here in the low 60s though. All right. Okay, a little bit lower here. Good. I got to get down to that prior low and get through it in order to really be alive in this without and sort of wipe away the potential for a sharp move that goes all the way back up again to to where our stop is, which is really 20 ticks away, just about. Really don't want to see any higher highs, higher lows getting made. We're right here back at 69. Congesting just above that prior low area. Good. Slightly lower. Okay, 62, down into the 50s. Okay, bring your stop down to 80 right now. Bring your stop down to 80, and oh, we're low. We're lower. We're through it. We're through. Okay, enter a second unit below the current low. 54. Sell a unit 54 below the current low, and as soon as that gets filled, bump your stop up if it gets filled, and bring the stop on down to I think 72. Okay, filled. Bump your stop up, bring it on down to 72. We're not risking that much. It's a little close, but okay. Yeah, great. We're below that 55 low, and it looks like we want to go lower, but it looks. We're going to hold beneath that prior little spot there, 62. So we trade 62. Okay, we're right back up to it. As long as we stay below the 70 area, I think we're fine. 69, 70. Pardon me. Sorry, that throat really is still acting up like messy. Pardon me. Well, I don't know. It's congesting a lot down here by that prior low, above it and below it. So it may be we're getting close. Tell you what, if we do get below this current level, bring a stop to break even right away. Especially if it's a 1 tick, 2 tick thing. Want to stop? Okay, wow, we blasted through. Stop to break even. Bring a stop to break even right now. Okay, tell you what, bring it a few more ticks. Bring it on down to 63. Bring it down to 63. Okay, and it looks like it may go a little. Yeah, we're starting to see some volume coming in here now on this down here. I'm not sure if it's covering. Enter a third unit beneath the current low. Down at 39. Sell a third unit at 39. And looks like there might be more. Looks like there might be more of a move here. This has come down very good. Very, pardon me. It's like people are waking up. In that it hasn't, stopped and reversed and gone, back into a sort of a mean reverting state. We do seem to have a small trend here now. Granted, we're only talking about 10 minutes, or it's not even that. Okay, back down here to low, trade 40, going sideways. It looks like it's just a sideways congestion here. We might stay below the 49, the 49.50 area to prove it. But we did get volume there when we got to a half before. Okay, we're above. We're at 52 now. Maybe this is going to come up from here. I'll tell you what, bring your stop down another 2 ticks. Bring it down to 61. Stop down to 61, 87, 61. We may not get a third unit in place here on this. So, that being the case, we want to have several ticks leeway beneath our the price. So okay, that zapped down there without a bid, sort of sweeping the order book a little bit lower there. Didn't get that far, but could be the beginning of some more. Notice how the volume is coming in here, starting to pick up a bit. If this turns into a higher low and we get another higher, higher high up there at 53, 54, then that could be it for this move. But right back down to 41, not quite a 40 trade. At 44 level, had some a little bit of volume done at it. Okay, back to 40. Back to 40. Maybe this could be just another little bottom. Oh, through. Filled on the third unit. Filled on the third unit. Bump your stop up to 3 units, and bring your stop on down now to. Bring your stop down to 57. That's maybe, I don't know if it's gonna it's a much shallower low there. We're already come up and overlapped it pretty well here, so maybe it's gonna pardon me, I guess it's possible could be done. Rather than breaking away and coming back to bounce, we'd only dropped a few ticks. We dropped several ticks before coming back up and overlapping and getting above even the 54 level, which was what held us before and on the first little bounce upwards. So tell you what, bring the stop down to 55, just a few more ticks, and that way it'll give us a little bit more in this in case it comes up. It looks like it's starting to come up here. We really want to stay beneath that 52 prior little high there. Looks like we did get a little turn there. Pardon me, at 49, but We really have to get down. And this looks like it could be the beginning of a. If we make a higher low here and then a higher high, like that would definitely be the end of this move for us and getting stopped out. Okay, we're still above that third unit's entry there at 87.39, so well, right back to 40. Okay, we're below it. Great. Maybe we'll come down here and yeah, this has come off. Looks like it might try. Well, maybe it'll double bottom here, but it might try to break again. Pardon me. If it gets down here beneath the current low, bring your stop down a few more ticks to around, let's say, well above that prior high. Maybe we'll make it 53. Make just a few more ticks. We want to try to give it enough room to bounce around because we haven't really had any kind of. This is right now. This is the longest period of sideways congestion that we've had yet since the high up there, just below 88 even. So it could be that. Well, it's not a bad move. It's a 60-odd tick move here. 70 tick move actually. Looks like almost. Trying to get that. Boy, I apologize for my voice. It's really this flu stuff or pneumonia stuff really is really it's just not wanting to go away very well. So spending some time sideways here, trying to determine whether or not it's going to go lower or reverse and come back up. We've only got on our stop. We've got a real small amount of profit there between our average entry price and the stop, and really don't like that. But this has felt as though it's needed this much room. So, well, maybe we're done here. That was pretty quick. We turned and made another slightly lower low. Great. Lower low. Bring your stop down a few more ticks down to that 53 level I mentioned before. And what's it look like down here now? I'm going to get any orders coming in. Yeah. Looks like somebody decided they really needed to trade here. Didn't cause much of a problem. Oh yeah, lower again with some more volume. Okay, bring your stop down to make it 51. Bring your stop down a few more ticks down to 51. Okay, we've got 10 ticks in this thing now. Oh, as an average price. Tell you what, drop your stop to 45. Drop the stop down to 45 now. And we might want to try to come down lower than that if we can. Great, all the way down into the teens. Good job. Maybe we're going to take a look at the 87 even level here. Looks like that's what we're trying to do. And this last move, even though it's looking like it's trying to round, well, forget that. It's not rounding at all. Bring your stop down to 40. Stop down to 40. Alright, now we got over 20 ticks in this thing from our average price. Okay, good bounce on this. Not the largest we've had in this move, but not bad. Bouncing off the 12 low. And it's a ways up to the, 37. Trade. Tell you what, we want to try to keep. I think we're going to try to keep from overlapping in this the third unit and that last price up there at 37. Because if we get above that, it'll probably rip. Well, it could. right above the 40 level. So stop's okay right now because we're just, floating around down here. And excuse me. Came up, higher. Okay, a higher high now. Got a higher high and a higher low. Right. I think we're just resting right on a little line off the high that we broke down from originally up there above 88 even. And the last high that we made there before breaking to come lower into this move. Just sitting resting right there on that line. If we go on through, I think we're probably gonna look to maybe cover this. Yeah. Okay, we're through. We bounced up above this. Let's see. Do we want to cover some of this? Maybe just a few contracts. No, bring your stop down to 35. Bring it on down to 35. We drop down from here. And that way it comes back up, slide with a pop all the way through here. Stop at 35. That'll give us, 25, 26 ticks in this from our average price. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, we just got filled. This is again a slightly higher high. So good job. 25 odd ticks on 3 units. We had 3 units in place. Great job. Okay, this may be moving up again, so I